Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the third problem. Check which of the following is solution of the equation 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. So here the linear equation they given is 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. What you have to do is you have to check whether given or solutions or not. What he given? First one 0, 2 is given. So you should check that this 0, 2 is solution for this linear equation of two variables or not. So in ordered pair, first element is always called x value, second element is always it's called a y element. Means you have to substitute in place of x 0, in place of y 2 in above equation. So if you got LHS is equals to RHS, then this point becomes a solution. If you won't get LHS is equals to RHS, then it is not a solution. Now what I am doing is, so substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 in 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. So I am taking LHS in this. What is LHS? 2x minus 5y. So 2, x means what you have to substitute 0. 5, y means what I have to substitute 2. 2 into 0 is 0, minus 5 2s are 10. How much I got here? Minus 10 I got it. What is RHS? RHS is plus 10. So LHS is not equals to RHS. So if LHS is not equals to RHS, what you have to write now? 0, 2 is not a solution of 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. When it becomes solution means when LHS is equals to RHS. Example, okay, if you do 0, minus 2, you will get LHS is equal to RHS. I'll do 0, minus 2. Second question, in that only 0, minus 2. What is the question is? Whether check 0, minus 2 is solution for 2x minus 5y is equals to 10 or not, he is asking. Now same substitute. What you have to substitute means you have to substitute the value of x and y. X is equal to 0 is there, y is equal to minus there. In ordered pair, always first one is called x coordinate, second one is called y coordinate. Means first one is x value, second one is y value. You have to substitute these values in equation 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. While you are substituting LHS, you have to take it. LHS is 2x minus 5y. 2, x means 0, minus 5, y means minus 2. 2 into 0 is 0, minus into minus plus, 5 to the 10. You got 10. RHS is also 10 only. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence 0, minus 2 is solution for 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. Like this you have to do it. Okay. Root 3 is there. Okay. Root 3 means no need of fearing. Root 3 already you done problems like these problems you done in 9th class. Okay. Now same I am doing here. 2 root 3 comma minus root 3 is given. It is one ordered pair. What you have to do? Same thing which I said now. It is same. In place of x you have to substitute 2 root 3. In place of y you have to substitute minus root 3. So you have to take LHS in the equation. 2x minus 5y. So 2, x means 2 root 3 you are writing. 5, y means minus root 3 you are writing. 2 into 2 root 3 is 4 root 3. Minus 5 into minus root 3 plus 5 root 3. So root 3 and root 3, these two are called like surds. Okay, like terms. 4 root 3 means like 4x plus 5x. You are getting 9x. So if you take root 3 as common, inside the brackets 4 plus 5 will be there. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 root 3. So LHS we got 9 root 3, but RHS is what here? Is 10. RHS is 10. So LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore, this is not a solution. This ordered pair is not a solution. You have to do like this. Then we will go for fourth problem. Fifth problem is also same like that. Fractions given, because maximum students they'll fear for roots, fractions, decimals, because of they didn't do in previous classes. Okay, so next we'll go for fourth, that is find the value of k if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k, and he said that x is equals to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution. So here whenever x value, y value, one solution is given, if you substitute that values, LHS becomes RHS. Okay. Now what I am doing is, in above equation, these values I am substituting it. So here I am not taking LHS separately, RHS separately, I am not taking it. So since it is solution, LHS is equals to RHS, it becomes, so 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equals to k I am writing. Why I am writing k? Because if it is a solution, LHS must be equals to RHS. He given that it is a solution. So LHS and RHS you are equating it. Okay. Now 2 2s are how much here? 4. 3 1s are how much here? 3. K. 7 is equal to k. Means k is equal to 7. So if 2, 1 are solutions for this equation, find the value of k, means in that equation, in place of x, x value, in place of y, y value, you have to substitute and you have to equate LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. Next, if you go for next fifth question, what he given, see it, x is equals to 2 minus alpha. X is equals to 2 minus alpha. They given here x equals to 2 minus alpha and y is equals to 2 plus alpha is a solution of the equation. Find the value of alpha. Same like previous one. Okay, there is no difference at all. You should know simplifications. Simplifications won't say in 9th and 10th classes. You have to learn from 8th class onwards. Okay, so the process how you have to do, just now I said to you. So each and every problem I can't explain here. So some you should do as homework. Are you seeing it or not? Okay. Now this is the last problem which I'll explain to you. That is, so fourth problem, how I said same thing. The equation they given as 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. It is the equation. Solution, already he said that x is equals to 2 minus alpha and y is equals to 2 plus alpha is a solution, he said already. So what I said to you, if it is a solution, LHS must be equals to RHS after substituting also. So you, wherever x is there, you have to write 2 minus alpha. 3x is there, 3. You should not write this into, you have to write brackets. 2 minus alpha, close the brackets. After 3x, what you are seeing here? Minus. Minus 2. Y means what you have? 2 plus alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. Here I am not taking LHS separately. RHS separately I am not taking. I am equating LHS and RHS because it is a solution. Now, distributive property A into B minus C. This 3 should be multiplied to 2 and alpha also. So it is 3 into 2 minus 3 into alpha. Minus 2 into 2 plus minus 2 into alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. This minus 2 you are multiplying for both. This 3 you are multiplying to both. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 3 alpha. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 into alpha is minus 2 alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. Now numbers, if you see, 6 minus 4 plus 6. These two 6 I have pluses. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. And minus 3 alpha, minus 2 alpha. Both are having a Same symbol and like terms, you can add it. Minus 5 alpha, okay, plus 8 is equal to 0. So minus 5 alpha, keep it here, plus 8 take to this side, minus 8. Minus minus cancelled. Alpha is equals to 8 by 5. So this is the value of alpha. So remaining you write down, and seventh question is write 5 different linear equations in 2 variables and the solutions for each of them. Write 5 different linear equations. Like this only you have to write equations and you have to write different values. Next, graph of a linear equation in 2 variables. So how to draw the graph? If you read the textbook, you will get it. Here how to draw the graph of a linear equation is given. Steps given. First write the linear equation. So if you want to draw the graph of y is equals to 2x plus 4. Okay, you have to write the linear equation. So what he is saying is put x is equal to 0 in that. In place of x you are substituting 0 here. Find the corresponding value of y. In place of x, if you substitute 0, y is equal to how much you are getting? 4 you are getting. Okay, put y is equal to 0. In this only put y is equal to 0 in this. Then you are getting corresponding value of x. Write the values of x and its corresponding value of y as coordinates. Like this coordinates you have to write it. Plot the points on the graph paper. You have to plot these ordered pairs in the graph paper. You have to join them by using scale. So these are the steps which you have to follow it. Okay. You will understand when you are doing one problem. Okay. Now just to see here, draw the graph of x minus 2y is equal to 3 is given. From the graph find the solution of x comma y where x is equal to minus 5. So he is substituting some x values and corresponding y values, you will get it. Okay, from the graph. So he is not asking to substitute. By seeing graph you have to say the values. Okay, these three we will see later. Now what you have to do is x minus 2y is equal to 3 is there. He is making y as subject from this. So minus 2y take to this side, plus 3 take to this side. 2y is equal to x minus 3. Y is equal to x minus 3 by 2. Okay, he got y is equal to x minus 3 by 2. Then he is taking x values, different x values he is taking. In place of x he is substituting 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 3 by 2, y is equal to 0, I got it. Ordered pair is x is 3, y is 0, you have to write 3 comma 0. In ordered pair always you have to write first x value, second y value. 3 comma 0 is point A. Next in place of x, in this only y is equal to x minus 3 by 2, he is substituting 1. 1 minus 3 by 2, minus 2 by 2. If you cancel minus 1 you are getting. So 1 comma minus 1 is another point. Minus 1 if he substituted, he is getting minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2 is another point. He got 3 points. See, if you know 2 points, we can draw a line. Okay. So in examinations they will write 3, 5 like that. Your wish. Now what he done is how to locate these points on the graph. So first in graph paper draw x-axis and y-axis. There is no rule that see, some students what they will do is they will take scale and they will make into exactly half. Here not necessary. Okay, depends on the points which you are taking. Okay, now x-axis is there here. See, from graph to x-axis length is small and x-axis to upside the length is big. So here to y to here is less, y to here is more. So no rule to take x-axis exactly at center, y-axis exactly at center. There is no rule at all. But the rule is x-axis both sides have to keep arrow marks, y-axis both sides have to keep arrow marks, and here right side x, capital X is there, means positive values. Left side x dash is there, upside means negative values. Upside here y is there, positive values. Downwards y dash is there, negative values of y. And scale is important. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 he is not taking. So on x-axis what he done is, here to here 1 centimeter will be there. It's a square of 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter square, what he done is he took 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units on x-axis. So he written 0. Next 1 he did not write, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this he written. Left side also same. Right side how you are taking scale, left side also will be same for on x-axis. So y-axis also no need of taking same scale. Y-axis you can take y is equal to 1, means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit you can take it. But here in this example he took y-axis also 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like this you got it. Now 3, 0 point you have to locate in this graph paper. So first you have to locate x value 3 is there. So on x-axis where plus 3 is there you have to see it. So 3 will be there in between 2 and 4. So between 2 and 4 small line is there or not? And 3, 0. If y coordinate is 0, the point lies on x-axis. That you have to write it. So y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. This point lies on x-axis. So you have to keep exactly here one point. This point is called 3, 0. Where you kept them between 2 and 4 on x-axis. Next 1, minus 1. Another ordered pair is what here? 1, minus 1. So here x is 1, means on x-axis 1. 0, 2 is there or not? So in between 0 and 2, 1 is there. Again y-axis minus 1. 0 and minus 2 is there, in between minus 1. 0 and minus 2. Next this is one point. Minus 1, minus 2. Again minus 1 means 0 and minus 2 is there, in between minus 1 here. Minus 2 is here. Okay. These three just you have to join with the scale and extend either sides. Keep arrow marks, because arrow mark says that it is a line. Line can't have any end point, so it is a line. So like this you can draw different graphs. Okay, now we will see about exercise 6.3. How to draw the graph, we will see it first. So in drawing graph you have two steps. One step is writing table, means getting values of x, y ordered pairs. And next step is that values plotting on the graph paper. Two steps are there here. Now I will show to you how to make a table. How to make a table like this. Okay. Then first what I am doing is I'm writing the graph for what you have to draw. So you should draw graph for 2y is equal to minus x plus 1. So you should draw graph for 2y is equals to minus x plus 1. So y, make y as subject, y is equals to, this 2 is multiplying to entire y or not? So minus x plus 1 whole divided by 2. Okay. So in writing table what you have to write is serial number you have to write it. And you are making means values of x. Values of x. Y is equals to minus x plus 1 by 2. X, y ordered pair. So like this you have to make a table here like this. First one means serial number, first point. X is equal to what you are taking. So x is equal to here, if you take 0, what happens? 1 by 2 will come. 1 by 2 means 0 0.5. So 0 0.5 somewhat difficult to keep a point here. So instead of means you should see that you should not get a point. That means you should not get a decimal or a fraction, you should not get it. Then x is equal to 1 you are taking. X is equals to 1. So x is equal to 1, how to simplify is very important. How you will simplify x is equals to 1 means in this, I'll show in another paper. In this paper, so you have y is equals to minus x plus 1 by 2 is there. I am substituting in place of x 1, I am substituting in this one only. So x before which symbol is there? Minus is there, minus I am writing. In place of x, what I have to substitute? 1 plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 means 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So if you substitute x is equal to 1, you are getting y is equal to how much here? 0 you are getting. What is the ordered pair? Means 1 comma 0 is an ordered pair. So here same, y is equals to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. 0 you got it, 1 comma 0. Then second, another point. So x is equals to, if you take 3, x is equal to 3, I am taking it. So x is equal to 3, if I am taking, y is equals to minus 3 plus 1 by 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 by 2. Means you are getting 1 minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. What happens when you are taking minus values? You can take x is equals to minus 1. X value you are taking as minus 1. So y is equals to, in formula you have minus, x means minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Minus of minus 1 means plus 1, 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So you are getting minus 1 comma 1. Okay, so like this, how to write a table for this type? See, if it is having 4 marks, if you write table perfectly, you will get 2 marks. These ordered pairs you have to locate in the graph, scale, x-axis, y-axis and everything. If you do, you will get more 2 marks. So 4 marks question. So this don't learn for only 9th class. Same problems will be there in 10th class. Okay, next. So remaining you do it. We'll see later.